Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Many of us love chicken breast, right? It's super healthy and can be part of so many delicious dishes. But sometimes it ends up a bit dry or just not very exciting. Don't worry, because today we're going to unlock the secrets to cooking it perfectly, ensuring it's always tender and packed with flavor. First things first, pat that chicken breast completely dry with a paper towel. This helps create a beautiful crust when you cook it. Then, season it generously on both sides. Think salt, fresh black pepper, a little garlic powder, and maybe some smoked paprika for a fantastic flavor boost. You're building that flavor foundation right here. Now, get your favorite skillet, ideally cast iron, nice and hot over medium-high heat with a touch of oil. Once it's shimmering, carefully place your seasoned chicken breasts in the pan. Don't overcrowd it, as that lowers the temperature. Let them sear undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until they're beautifully golden brown and look perfectly cooked. To ensure your chicken is perfectly done, use a meat thermometer. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull it off the heat right when it reaches that mark, because overcooking is the #1 enemy of juicy chicken breast. The most important step: let it rest for at least 5 minutes after cooking, allowing all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout. Once rested, slice your chicken breast against the grain for the most tender bite. Now it's ready to be the star of your meal, whether you're pairing it with roasted vegetables, adding it to a fresh salad, or tucking it into a sandwich. With these simple steps, you'll consistently create juicy, flavorful chicken breast, making mealtime a truly delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.